I'm
Yeah,
also
we are trying to solve for you. Yep, thank you.
I'm
Yep.
also really gentle with hitting the just approve button and not reading as close as I should to what it is that I'm approving.
Yeah, because that's an actual command. It's running on your computer, so you wanna
Right.
look at it and make sure you know what it's doing. Yeah.
Yeah, so for those of you who don't recognize this is a pip install, which you're right, Grant. It's like OS level, right? So you definitely should be careful with these.
Yeah, there's a lot of good resources for that, and I'll share some after we wrap up here.
I'd like to see those myself. I'm kind of new to the coding end of this, so
totally. I mean, same. Like it's been a wild ride trying to figure this out while we're flying. I reached out to someone the other day who is an educator in the space, and I asked them, how would you teach people how to code today, given the actual world that we live in 2026, where AI can do most of the actual coding. And hopefully we'll have them on and we can dive into that conversation.
I'd give them a V0 login and send them on their way.
No, but there are definitely genuine things that you need to know about how all of this stuff works. Even just how to work with your computer that not everyone knows. So I'd love to talk to them about that.
Okay, so if I'm gonna handicap how we're moving here, this looks pretty good, right?
Okay.
It's picking logistic regression as its first model. It's picking random forest as its second model. And then it's picking KNN as its third model. So this is one of those things where local data science knowledge does help, but you could also be a layperson and just say, hey, that makes sense to me, right? But because really what the point here is that you're trying to pick different approaches to kind of experiment with your data, right? That's the science part of data science.
Yeah.
These are tasks most humans can't do, by the way, or would not know how to do.
Right.
Yeah, I guess that would actually be an interesting thing to talk through. It's like, what is your approach to data science as a whole? And if someone is trying to get into it or work in that field, like what are the kind of like tips and tricks like that, like of trying multiple approaches that you would recommend people internalize?
Sure. Yeah.
How many lines of code does that say?
132.
Oh, not bad.
Total.
Yeah,
the quick. Obviously, it can be a complex question, right, Grant? But what I usually tell people is that I went through a fairly formal training program in applied statistics, and there was like a capstone course for that. And in that capstone course, we were required to try 12 different models on the same data set, right? So that's kind of like the standard, right?